just got back from doing the old switcheroo. I just traded a AX15 for this apparently running 4.0 high output 93. So about to get this sucker all cleaned off and get it moved into the garage and start disassembling. Good rebuild. Throwing it in that guy there. I'm excited. Alright. That chain all hooked up. Gonna be moving the truck around. Throw that on there. Pressure wash it up. And throw it in the shop. Alright. Just took the pressure washer to it. Actually cleaned up pretty nice. That thing was bird in grease. And now, so am I. Yeah. Oh, looks like it's gonna be a nice little unit. Yep, I get it loaded on the stand.